You ever need to make a Christmas present in a hurry? I'm giving myself 2 hours to make a serving board from a slab. We'll see.
I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. I've been down so long that my mind can't get no rest. No, no. This ain't easy, darling, 'cause the devil's on my trail. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh yeah. I've been running so long that my feet don't work no more. Oh no. It ain't easy, darling, when the devil's on my trail. Oh yeah.
I think that serving board turned out absolutely gorgeous. That was from a locust tree that I milled up a couple years ago, and I was chomping at the bit to get something made out of it. I think there was another important takeaway, which is there's always more than one way to do something. For instance, I realized that my slab was too thick for my jigsaw, which I didn't quite figure out until I was trying to cut it and it wouldn't cut through. So then I figured I'd go to the bandsaw and cut out the shape for the serving board. But then I broke my bandsaw blade. So I got out the circular saw and I cut it down to where the board was small enough that I could mill it, get it a little bit thinner, then I could cut out the profile with a jigsaw. So if you don't feel like you have the skill or a tool necessary to perform a certain task, do some research. You might be able to find another tool or implement another skill that will accomplish the same thing. So I hope you liked this video, and if you did, maybe consider subscribing and sharing this video with your friends. And until we meet again, get in your shop and build something awesome. I realized that my slab was too thick for my bandsaw. That's not true. It's too thick for my jigsaw.